To insist on integrity, to insist on the demonstration of integrity, is one where external pressure does have an effect. And that is at a place where I'm chief of staff. The rehabilitation of these children has to do with trying to get them to the level of integrity, to admit that I am responsible for my own action. Because you can't get above integrity until you say, yes, I'm the one that did that. So long as you're blaming Gimbals for falling on the ice on the sidewalk, you're still below 200, because Gimbals didn't push you over on the ice, friend. It was how you put your feet. You saw it was icy, you're 52 years old, and if you don't know how to put your feet on ice, you shouldn't be walking on the ice in front of Gimbals, and much less suing Gimbals. So, I mean, I've never had much sympathy for putting the blame out there because of the loss of spiritual integrity. I'm the one that was careless about where I put my feet, and if it, see what I mean? Every ding in the car, I take responsibility for. I mean, it was my thoughtlessness that allowed for it. So that kind of training we can teach our children. I think we can inspire them to become integrous and to feel the increase of power and energy that goes with integrity. And if you teach them by example and keep bringing to their awareness that there is a certain payoff in self-esteem which nobody sees. Yes, you don't have to pick it up, you don't have to pick it up, you don't have to pick it up. But when you do over and over again, suddenly you notice a difference in how you feel about yourself, and that's called self-esteem. So I think the building of self-esteem through integrity is something we can certainly do.